Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Sam. Sam loved adventures, and one sunny morning, he decided to explore the thick forest near his village. With his backpack filled with snacks and a small map, he waved goodbye to his mom, and off he went. The jungle was full of big trees, colorful flowers, and strange noises. Sam was so curious about everything that he didn't realize he had wandered far from the path he knew. Hours passed, and soon it began to get dark. Sam tried to find his way back, but every tree looked the same, and shadows danced around him. He realized he was lost. Even though he was scared, Sam remembered what his mom always told him: stay calm and think clearly. So he sat down on a large rock and tried to figure out what to do. As the moon began to rise, he heard a rustling in the bushes. Out came a bright-eyed monkey named Zippy. Zippy was very friendly and seemed to understand Sam's problem. Sam showed Zippy his map and pointed to his village. Zippy nodded and signaled for Sam to follow him. They trekked through winding paths, over streams, and under thick foliage. Zippy chattered away, making funny faces to keep Sam's spirits high. Along the way, they met a wise old owl named Oliver, who advised them to avoid the river as it was home to crocodiles. Oliver gave Sam a feather to remember him by and wished them luck. Further along their journey, they came across a family of rabbits who shared some berries and told Sam stories about the jungle. Each new friend they met seemed to bring them closer to Sam's village. After what felt like hours, they emerged near a clearing. Sam could see the faint glow of lights from his village. He thanked Zippy with all his heart and promised to visit him again someday. Zippy waved goodbye and disappeared back into the jungle. Sam finally ran home and hugged his mom tightly, telling her all about his incredible adventure. That night, as Sam lay in his bed, he looked at Oliver's feather and thought about the friends he made. He realized that even though he was lost, he found something special, friends who helped him find his way back. And from that day on, Sam's adventure in the jungle became the most told story in his village, teaching everyone the importance of courage, friendship, and staying calm in tough situations.